Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So I am once again working on my June 2024 Paper Pumpkin Alternatives. This is alternative video number 14. Yes, it's getting up there, isn't it? I'm thinking maybe 20 this month, maybe 20. So let's see what we are using. Oh, let's go over. This is what the kit you could have made. So it was a fruit theme, but it had miss you, hello, and congrats. You could have made 3 of this one, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one. This video QR code will help you get to a video to show you how to put the cards together as they were designed. This one will lead you to the Thanks and Beyond dies, which were good for April, May, and June. And then we already have available on the Stampin' Up! Website the new ones for July, August, and September. And this is a visual everything kit. And then the coordinating colors, now that that's out of the way, we are going to use Thanks today. We're going to use Thanks and Sweet Friend. I wish this had been in the glitter, but I guess the reason why they didn't do that is because you have the die with the Thanks and Beyond dies, and you can do that yourselves. And I probably should, let's make a note to myself to do that so we can see it. Die cut Thanks for Paper Pumpkin in Glimmer paper of some kind. So let me put that one. This is the last one. Let's put that out there. Otherwise, guys, my note, if I don't do that when I sing, I totally forget. It's just how it is. So I'm not even going to bring the notebook in for this one. We are going to use this envelope, guys, as an envelope. Yes, we are. We are going to use this large leaves as they are, and we're not. I already put some tear tape on it. I remembered. This is going to be our inside piece, 3 3/4 by 5. It's going to be a vertical card, but it's going to be 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2. So this is our card, and this is going to be easy because nothing's going on the front. We're going to use these hanging bottle flower vases. Probably add a few little of those in, well, because you guys know I wanted to use them and I wasn't able to. So what we're going to stamp is we're going to stamp on our envelope, and we're going to stamp for our inside. So, oh, I'm looking for the envelope. It's right here. So here we go. I think we might stamp Thanks here. We might do Life is So Much Sweeter with the Friendly. We're going to do that on the inside of our actual card. Thanks and Sweet Friend is going to go on our envelope, I think. So this is going to go just in the center. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Put that aside. Our envelope, we're going to do this smushy thing with our Thanks. Ooh, that is inky, 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 inky. So I just want to make sure. So we're going to put Thanks right here. Tone on tone. Ooh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And Sweet Friend right here. That's it. That's it for the stamping, as far as I can think of right now. I can't think of anything else. All right, envelope check, done. Don't need this. We need to glue this onto the inside of our card. Did I show you guys the cute little Tic Tacs? I think would go cute with this set because of the fruity, or I thought about the Halloween too, but I'm thinking now it would really go because it's the fruity flavored Tic Tac package. I'm going to have to remember. I have it sitting here. That would be really cute with this set. I need to do something with that before Hank finds it, because Hank, Tic Tacs, he eats the whole thing. They don't last. I guess most kids do that anyways. It's just kind of how it goes. So I already gave it its rub down, but I'm trying to find a spot where I can work the backings off. There's one. Now I can't put, I'm going to take the backings off, but I ain't putting it down yet, because if I do, I could totally mess this up, because I need to see the stickers on here first to make it work. All right. And I'll show you what I mean. Probably should have left some there. So we have these, the lovely Leslie Wheeler sent me, along with all those papers for Paper Pumpkin. So you can find the download for those on the Paper Pumpkin Facebook group. So here's my sticker. Look at that. So this is going to go inside like that. This one is going to be there just like that. So, oh, I can do that. I can do that. We're going to put some extra sticky stuff on that. So let's get this in the center. It's lovely on Fresh Freesia, isn't it? I think it's lovely on Fresh Freesia. It's down, but see, this is loose. There's nothing in here, and that's what I need so I can tuck this sticker. We want to add some more glue, because sometimes these stickers don't always stay really well, and this is a large one. There's no dimensionals on the back, but we just want to add some to make sure it stays. So this, I'm going to use my little pokey tool here to get this to go up underneath there. Oops, too far. And down here. Okay, and there's this little leaf here. I want to pop this up because I want that to go in there. This one, I want this on the outside of the sticker, as well as that one. Look at how darn cute that is. Stickers. Who knew? Stickers, stickers, stickers. So we have more stickers we can add. So we have this one here. Oh, no. You see this little bit at the top? I thought we could use that. So we're going to have to just cut that off. And this, I think we're going to put along the top. So I'm going to do a little quick fussy cutting. Because either I can use it at the top, or I could probably use it on the inside of the card. But I originally think it might do well on the top bit here, like so. Or I can do it across. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. But I don't think so. Now I'm thinking, why not put it, oh yeah, let's put it on the inside. So there to there. Now how do I get it? Come on. Or I'm going to glue it down. Nope, there it comes. Let's add a little bit right here for it to super stick to. And then get this one and get it on that end so it'll look more like this. I think we can do that. I think we can. I need to finish my book. I did read some of it. I'm like 67% done. It is not the best book, guys, but it's got these many books in the series, and once I start something, I have to finish it. I gotta know how it ends. And I do skip. It's just not like I am used to books captivating me like crazy. And it's just so-so. But I want to finish it. I do want to actually finish the book. So I forget that I can go do that. Oh, I like that. So see, piecing it together, it will work. So we're going to go back. We can even add this there. That's really cute. We could add these right there. But what I was thinking, because this is a little plain, so we're going to add this up in this corner. We're going to put these, trying to see. I think so, but I think what we're going to do is use the anti-sticky solution and then put our own dimensional on it. Dimensionals. Oh, it smells so good. Hopefully these will stick to it. Now I may have made it pointless, but we'll see. Now that that is all done, yes, there we go. And we definitely need some bling of some kind. Oh, and I have butterflies. Yes, finally, I think we're going to be able to use the butterflies. Maybe if they will come out of the package. They were hard to get back in there, guys. They really were. So here's one. I think I am going to do 3. 1, 2, and the little different one, these I just got from the dollar store. Or maybe I'll do rhinestones here. 1, 2, 3. No, I don't like the extra butterfly. Let's see, do these, oh, those so do not go. No, 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 no. But I am thinking just plain basic jeweled rhinestones, since I brought that up the other. Oh, halfback pearls. I have some of those in here. Oh, those would be pretty. I could take the, I could take those pearls off there and put these on there. I think so. I love those. Let's see. We do have, oh, we could do the pearls. We won't make it so difficult on ourselves. Right? I mean, I love the cream. Look at the difference. Beautiful, but they don't go. So we are going to do, I might just do 1, 2, and no, because I have 1, 2. How many do I want to do is the question. I could do 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's get the, see, my eye says like right here, but also my eye is like here, so maybe here. 1, 2, 3. We need 2 more. Teeny tiny one went on top of another. And then I could do, oh, I want a big one. No little ones. This one needs 1 here. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 right there. My husband was like, I spent $67 at the post office. He's like, good grief, baby. I was like, I'm sorry. He's like, honey, we got surgeries coming up, you know, Boone surgery. And, oh, just so funny. Just so funny. I said, I know. So, finally got to use the stickers. So, I can't help myself, guys. It's just so quick, so easy. I hope you guys don't mind. Just trying to give you ideas of how to mix it up and how to use these kits in a different light, because I sure enjoy sitting out here and seeing what I can come up with that may be different from what you've seen. And hopefully by using things like this that I have in my stash of in my desk and stuff, things that I just like to add to Stampin' Up's product line, it gives you ideas, spark that creativity that says, oh, I have something similar to that. Or you know what would be great? It could do the same thing. Let me show you. Now, I don't have the punch. Where is that little set? Right here. Look at this. See those little bottles? You could do little bottles or one big bottles. I don't have the punch. You could do one big one with flowers inside there. Great alternative idea. I mean, maybe I'll do something like that next and do it totally flat. I can do that. So I'm going to make a note here for myself, but after we go off. So I want to do this, and I want to do, oh, I don't have any more, but I have the Eden's, Eden dies, which are similar to this, so we can show you what you could do. My card's the wrong way. So thank you guys for letting me share my paper crafting journey with you. It means so much. I am going to ask, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, please. If you can. I understand if you can't. And if you are not subscribed, I ask that you would consider subscribing, because it really does help me out. And tell you guys know that the comments mean the world to me. So thank you so much. And I invite you to come back and visit me in my wonderland. A little hummingbird just came and buzzed my window. So cool. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Come back soon. Bye-bye.